Hello everyone, this is Simranjeet Kaur from Prototype Teams of All 3D and this is how a normal day looks like.
Hi guys, I'm Neelved. So here at Whole 3D we come at 10:15. We do a little bit time pass and start our work by 10:45. So here at Whole 3D printing lab हम लोग सबसे पहले ओवरनाइट जो प्रिंट्स रखे रहते हैं वो क्लीन करते हैं for us to slice new files and get the printers running once again. Now coming to the post-printing part, as you can see, this is the overnight print printed out. We just take it out, remove the parts, clean up the bed, and wait for the new print to be done. All the prints taken out from the printers overnight have support structures like these. So what do? We just basically clean the support and throw it away until and unless we get a final product which is something like this. And after getting our final product, we go to the slicing part where we slice files for the printers and restart them again for the next day. So coming to the next part, which is slicing. Here you can see this is a great model that we want to print out. So we will import the STL file in the slicer, as you can see right here. Then we slice the file according to our needs and the requirements of the settings. As we can see, this will take around 9 hours and 41 minutes. So we'll export these files to our printer and then wait for the final product to come. CPU is loaded and we are ready to print the new file. We'll start, and now you can see the bed is heating and the nozzle is heating. Pause.
So now I guess you know a lot about 3D printing, but have you wondered how do we design our products? Let's dive into it.
First, before we print any product, let's make a brief sketch about it to make sure it looks fine. Now that the design is approved, we go to our 3D software and design the final model. Here's the stand for a 3D lamp with our own logo, of course. And here we have the final output ready, 3D printed in special wood filament with a 3D printed miniature figure too. And soon we'll add lights to this.
Everyone, my name is Vikrant and I'm here working in Wall 3D as a scanner guy. And this is the scanner we have, which is the Raptor X, and this is the best scanner we have. And generally we use this scanner for reverse engineering, making animation characters and inspection. So output of this scanner is like this. You can see here. This is the car bumper which we have scanned. This is just one side of the bumper. This is the back part of the bumper. You can convert it into a step file by using various softwares. So generally this is the workflow of the scanner, and after converting into step file you can print it via 3D printers or by any other means.